You are watching the Agro Summit on Disaster Preparedness, and our next speaker is from the Department of the Interior and Local Government, Region 4A. Please give a round of applause to Jay Beltran.
Hi. Good morning. May mga taga-Calabarzon ba dito? Ang dami. Na-receive niyo yung memo namin, ano? Alright, first off, we'd like to thank Rappler for this continued partnership. We've been partners with Rappler since last year, not just with disaster preparedness, but with a lot of initiatives pagdating po sa good governance. Now, as much as we want to say that disaster preparedness is something that is everyone's concern, pagdating po sa leadership, it would be beneficial kung yung pong mga leaders natin know what to do in times of disaster. So we came up with Kaalamidad, and this is our initiative, which seeks to assess the level of knowledge of disaster risk reduction and management officers in the region. So I'm not sure if this has been done before, but we want to put premium on the level of knowledge ng mga responders natin, yung mga nagtatrabaho po para po sa kaligtasan ng ating mga communities. So we broke it down to 4 components. The first one is the development of the assessment tool. Dito po, we have partnered and we sought the help and the assistance of the Regional Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council in Calabarzon to come up with the assessment tool. And this will be, yung pong mga questions po dito will come from the 4 thematic areas. So, yung pong chair and vice chair of the RDRRMC4A, we partnered with them, and yung pong mga questions nga po will be derived from the 4 thematic areas of disaster prevention, disaster preparedness, disaster mitigation, disaster rehabilitation and recovery. The next stage, magkakaroon po tayo ng component 2. First stage, is the pre-qualifying stage. So, kaya po meron po tayong examination sa mga disaster risk reduction and management officers natin. So, ang mga participants po natin dito will be all local disaster risk reduction and management officers together with the respective DILG field officer assigned to the LGU. Yung pong mga DILG field officers, ang mga questions po sa kanila ay about disaster preparedness lang, since that's the thematic area where DILG is the vice chair. After that, yung pong 5 provinces na magka-qualify po, sila po yung mag-move on to the next level of assessment. Component 3, magkakaroon po tayo ng regional qualifying stage. Ito po yung parang, this is the one that I'm most excited about, ito po yung parang quiz B type. So, yung top 5 LGUs per province will be subjected to another level of assessment, and the top performing LGU per province shall qualify to the final stage of assessment. Yung pong mga provincial disaster risk reduction and management officers natin, by default, will also play or will be a participant dun po sa next stage, and kasama po nila yung ating pong local or provincial focal person dun po sa regional qualifying round. Component 4 is the final phase, wherein magkakaroon po ng mga case scenarios or simulation exercises. The idea is to check the level of interoperability ng province down to the municipal level or provincial city level. So magkakaroon po ng mga case scenarios that will be covering all thematic areas. On the top team per thematic area will be determined at yun po yung mananalo. So yung pong elimination stage will be on July 14, magkakaroon ng regional qualifiers on July 27, and final stage will be on August. So why are we doing this? Basically, we want to come up with sound capability development interventions para po sa ating mga local disaster risk reduction and management officers. Ang apprehension palagi is we're testing them, we're trying to check their level of knowledge, or ginigradean po natin sila. No, we should eliminate that thinking. What we want to do is to be able to know kung ano po yung mga training na kailangan po natin gawin to make you more efficient sa mga ginagawa po nating trabaho. And we also believe na, yun nga po, tagline po ngayon, ligtas ang may alam, at andyan po, sinasabi po natin lagi, bida ang handa sa Office of Civil Defense. And I think it would also be easier for us to reach yung pong goal natin of zero casualty kung yung pong ating mga players, yung mga leaders natin in the field know what to do in times of disaster. So yun po, and we hope na yung pong initiative namin will translate to more capable disaster risk reduction management in the future, and we want it to be replicated by other regions for a more disaster resilient Philippines and inch closer to the reality of zero casualty. So on behalf of Director Manigotis of Region 4A Calabarzon, we'd like to thank you, and sana po abangan niyo po yung aming kaalamidad. Thank you and good morning.